Okay, let's select the leftmost data marker, which selects the whole of M. Blake's data markers. Now select M. Blake's marker for keyboards, which just selects that one, and double click on it and select red and OK. Now let's go to the View menu and select Toolbars and ensure that there is a check mark against drawing, and if not, we'll select it. But ours is there, so let's click away from there. And let's click on the oval button on the drawing toolbar and position the mouse pointer below the chart legend and drag the crosshair pointer to draw an oblong object upwards. And then click the 3D button on the drawing toolbar and click the 3D style 20, and then let's go to the fill color arrow and select aqua. And now click the copy button on the standard toolbar and click the tool list data marker for monitor, and then we'll click the paste button. Now right click on the data marker and select Format Data Series, and on the Patterns tab click the Fill Effects button, and then on the Picture tab let's click the Stretch Radio button and then OK and OK. And now let's select the original drawing and hit the delete key. Now let's click the Auto Shapes button and point to lines and click arrow, and then we want to drag to draw a line from the first special data marker to the big one. And now click the arrow style button and we'll select arrow style 7, the double-ended one. And now click the line style button and we'll select 4.5 point. Now right click on the arrowhead and we'll select Format Auto Shape, and on the Color and Lines tab click the color drop arrow under line and select the color we want, and then under arrows we click the end style arrow and we'll click the stealth arrow and OK. And now click the text box button on the drawing toolbar and position the pointer near the arrow, and let's drag out a text box and type "Look at this!" exclamation mark. And then we'll click outside the toolbox, the text box, and go to the View menu, Toolbars, and let's deselect the drawing toolbar and save.